Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A23. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. First, let's enter Transport Pass and select Transport Pass you would like to add to your account. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's go to Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap Done, Add to Wallet and hit Set. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card. Simply select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and it's done. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of the Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.